Today we learn about frogs and ponds. Are you ready? Let's go! Frog, frog, here we go. Frog, frog, can you make the sound? Frog, frog, can you see? Frog is fun for you and me. Tadpole, tadpole, here we go. Tadpole, tadpole, stomp your feet. Tadpole, tadpole, can you see? Tadpole is fun for you and me. Frog, tadpole, lily pad pond, sing it loud with me. Frog, tadpole, lily pad pond, happy as can be. Learning frogs and ponds. 1, 2, 3, come and sing with me. Lily pad, here we go. Lily pad, jump up high. Lily pad, can you see? Lily pad is fun for you and me. Pond, pond, here we go. Pond, pond, wave hello. Pond, pond, can you see? Pond is fun for you and me. Frog, tadpole, lily pad pond, sing it loud with me. Frog, tadpole, lily pad pond, happy as can be. Learning frogs and ponds. 1, 2, 3, come and sing with me. Fly, fly, here we go. Fly, fly, clap your hands. Fly, fly, can you see? Fly is fun for you and me. Jump, jump, here we go. Jump, jump, can you make the sound? Jump, jump, can you see? Jump is fun for you and me. Splash, splash, here we go. Splash, splash, stomp your feet. Splash, splash, can you see? Splash is fun for you and me. Croak, croak, here we go. Croak, 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 jump up high. Croak, 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 can you see? Croak is fun for you and me. Frog, tadpole, lily pad pond, sing it loud with me. Frog, tadpole, lily pad pond, happy as can be. Learning frogs and ponds. 1, 2, 3, come and sing with me. Can you find the frog? Yes, it's frog. Can you find the tadpole? Yes, it's tadpole. Can you find the lily pad? Yes, it's lily pad. Can you find the pond? Yes, it's pond. Stand up tall, everybody. Jump, 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 stomp, stomp, stomp. Turn around and clap your hands. Wiggle, wiggle, sit back down. Frog, tadpole, lily pad pond, sing it loud with me. Frog, tadpole, lily pad pond, happy as can be. Learning frogs and ponds. 1, 2, 3, come and sing with me. Dance, dance, everybody dance. Left and right, take a chance. Spin around and jump up high. Reach your hands up to the sky. Today we learned about frog, tadpole, lily pad, pond, fly, jump, splash, croak. Great job, everyone! Frog, tadpole, lily pad pond, sing it loud with me. Frog, tadpole, lily pad pond, happy as can be. Learning frogs and ponds. 1, 2, 3.